Yeah, well, the history of dry aging is really about, particularly beef, being a firmer muscle, benefiting from aging after being slaughtered. So, you know, if you take beef and you eat it a week after, it's definitely tougher and sort of more stringy. So, traditionally in Europe and America, they've had dry aging to promote this extra flavour complexity, but importantly tenderness. We do dry aging at Rockpool Bar and Grill, and the reason we do that is because we get a superior product in both flavour and texture. It's a little bit like taking a chicken broth and reducing it down to a demi sauce. You're driving the moisture out, so you're intensifying the flavours. Of course, the whole thing about dry aging is picking the point at which complexity of flavour is really at its optimum, while still having some juiciness, because you're trading off all the time. The drier the beef's getting, the less juicier it is. So it's important to find a point where that complexity of flavour and that juiciness are coming together to make a great steak. And super important not to overcook it, because you've taken a lot of the juices out through the dehydration process and the drying, and so it gets really tough and dry very quickly. So the perfect kind of dry age cut, which would be ribeye, strip loin, rump, really needs to be cooked around medium rare. So you really want to cook it simply. You've taken all the effort to make this great piece of beef. Cook it over charcoal or wood. Use a pan if you have to, but serve it with a little olive oil, sea salt, lemon, some vegetables if you like, and a great glass of wine. It really is about produce on a plate, looked after as best as it possibly can.